Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a real quick update of what's been happening. Not a whole lot, it's just been a lot of wheel cleaning and everything. The UPS boxcar got brand new couplers on it, as well as getting the wheels cleaned and some underframe work. The HCFX tanker got new couplers following the wheel clean. They're shiny as can be. The U.S. Army boxcar got its wheels cleaned as well as new couplers. All these cars are working really great. I've still been running. I had a little derailment there. I didn't know the switch was done. And even the RFMP boxcar has been cleaned as well. And that's one of my very few AccuRail pieces I have. Actually, my only AccuRail piece. So, yeah, so at least I got this one clean. And all of these, with the exception of the Amoco tanker and the Conrail and the Southern car, which they're relatively new, have been cleaned, and except the N&W and Southern hoppers. The ones that were able to get clean were actually the dirtiest. So, so almost all the rolling stock up here has been cleaned or repaired. I've worked on some of the older rolling stock for the other set, and I'll get up for a second. This is for the older set. These two hoppers were my dad's two Bachmann HO scale hoppers decorated for Union Pacific, and you can see how much dirt has come off these hoppers. And this is what really surprised me. You see that little strip right there? That's dirt that has actually surrounded the circumference of the wheel, and that's over time. So if you see that, don't be surprised, because what that is, that's track dirt that has hardened over time, almost like a grease. Alcohol is the way to go with this. If you have not looked at the how-to video on that, definitely take a look at it. This car is just up here just because I was checking the wheels and whatnot. This car is in really good shape, the Delmar Hudson car. But, yeah, this is just for the older set right now, because I'm not really focusing on that too much. I just cleaned those just because they got some use after several years in the attic when I was in high school. Actually, really middle school is when I got those from my dad. So, but almost all the active rolling stock has been inspected and cleaned. I will be doing the other inspections for these two hoppers soon. But anyway, that's pretty much all I have for this update. I wish there was more, but I don't have much. But lots more rolling stock continuing to come out of storage. All right, guys, I hope to see you soon, and I'll see you next time.